Welcome back, let's get into it. So here we have some glycerin. That white powder there is a xanthan gum. Here we have some essential oils and olive oil, vitamin E oil, turmeric, kaolin clay, some preservative and extract, the panthenol and water. So let's mix everything together, right? So we have the water here, and I'm going to put in some DL panthenol. It makes easier in hot water in my opinion, but I wasn't feeling to heat up the water. So you will see me catching my ass trying to get this thing to dissolve properly in the water. But anyways, it dissolves eventually. Most important. Right? So trying to dissolve it in because I was catching my ass. Anyways, so now I'm going to add the preservative and the extract. The extract I'm using is rose extract. And I decide to to put it in here because I want to make sure that the preservative of all things, and to make sure it's evenly distributed. So now I'm putting the xanthan gum in with the glycerin, because if you don't know, now you know. Glycerin is what does evenly, in my opinion, dissolve the xanthan gum to get it a nice smooth consistency for it to add to whatever liquid you're trying to form into a gel. Right here I am adding the turmeric powder and the kaolin clay to the water as well, because I want to make sure everything dissolves evenly in the water before I make it into a gel consistency. So I'm just trying to make sure everything is properly dissolved in the water first. Now I'm adding the water mixture to the xanthan gum, and yes, all these scraps, everything must go. So now it's just to mix until it gets thick and form a gel-like consistency. So as you can see, it is beginning to thicken up and look nice. Just when you was beginning to wonder like what is going on, yes, then it gets started get thick on you. So now that it's nice and thick, this is when I am going to add in my oil. The oil I'm using is vitamin E oil. I'm also using some tea tree essential oil and some frankincense essential oil. And mix. Use a big spatula because I was getting fed up of that small spoon. Yay! Now I'll move it into our next container after a few moments of letting that gel fully absorb everything and mixing up. As the consistency I ended up with, it's a beautiful smooth consistency. Just make sure you keep the cover on the container when you're not using it. Anyways, so this is my beautiful face. Then I'm putting on the gel mask. Right, I put it on after I wash my face. Put on the gel mask. Leave it on for a little 10-20 minutes, maybe an hour, or if you're like me who like to do all kind of madness when you have on a face mask. But this is what my face is looking like when I wash it off. A very nice, hydrated, beautiful face.